In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sketches feature on Orbital Witness to add more detail to your map page. So navigate to Sketches, click the Sketches button on the left here. When you get to Sketches, you'll be presented with 4 tools at the top here. For this video, we're going to cover all of them, so I'll go through them one by one. We'll start with the Area tool. For this video, what I'm going to be using the Area tool for is to show a transfer of part. So in this video, this title here is being transferred by part, and I want to accurately represent that using Sketches. Now, to make my sketch more accurate, I'm going to use the snap in functionality and I'm going to snap to my title boundaries. What this means is when I draw my sketch, it will snap to boundaries I already have visible. So I can basically snap to the blue title boundary I have visible here and take out a lot of the risk of drawing this freehand. So to start, I'll place a point on the boundary, and you can see as I move my cursor along here, the sketch simply follows the boundary I have visible. I simply click to stop snapping, click back on my original point to rejoin, and I've now created the area sketch that shows the transfer of part. I'm also going to go ahead and restyle this, so I'm going to go for a purple sketch and I'm going to make the fill a hatched fill, and then I'll press the done button to close this. However, while this shows the transfer of part, if it wasn't me looking at this, no one else might know that this is a transfer of part. So I want to add a label to the sketch I've just created. And to do that, I'm going to use the text tool. So I select text from the options here. I'll click sort of right in the middle of the transfer of part here. And I'm going to copy in transfer of part. And I'm going to make this purple as well and slightly lower the size and just move it in the middle. And then if I press done, you can now see I've got the transfer of part clearly labeled as a transfer of part. However, there are 2 more things I want to add to this map. So firstly, I want to add an access point, and to do that, I'm going to use the marker tool. So I'm going to grab the marker tool here, and the access point for my titles is here, so I'm going to click to place a marker. Again, I'm going to slightly lower this in size. I'm going to press done to close the sketch, and then I'd already set up a text sketch previously that shows that this is an access point. So I'm going to press the I here to make that visible, and you can now see I've got the marker and the access point text above it, clearly indicating this is the access point to my titles. Finally, I know that there's a highway in front of the 2 titles shown here, and I want to show that using the lines tool. So I select lines, and I'm going to click to place a point, click to place another one, and then double click to finish. And I'm going to restyle this. I'm going to go for an orange dashed line. I'll press done to sort of close the line sketch, and then finally I already have a label for this set up, so I'm going to press the eye icon to make this visible, and you can now see that this is labeled as a highway that's maintained at public expense. If I zoom out a little bit here, you can now see how I've used sketches to enhance the plan that I previously had. I've mocked up non-title boundary information, I've labelled the sketches I've created, and overall provided a more detailed plan. Hopefully this should give you a good introduction to the Sketches tool and how you can use it to enhance your map for both your clients and your colleagues.